Hey everyone, I'm with Stefan Design Studios, and today we will be looking at their Curl Me Up style wigs in their latest collection. Let's see. Here's the user guide. Oh my goodness. Here she is in the color Praline. So gorgeous. Okay, let's try her on. Oh, wow. She's just exuding warmth and sophistication. She has these gorgeous honey tones to her and these golden brown. There's so much depth and dimension to her with these subtle honey highlights, and it just adds such a multi-tonal effect. If you want a classic and timeless look with a little bit of allure, she's your girl. And the quality feels incredible. As you can see, there's so much bounce and movement to her already without you even doing anything. And she's so silky and so soft. This wig is all about embracing your natural texture and letting your personality shine through. This wig is also made with a handmade lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when it comes to creating a seamless and natural looking wig. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted with individual strands going into a sheer lace material. This fine lace eliminates harsh edges and lines and creates such a natural looking hairline. It also creates the illusion that the hair is growing directly from your scalp. The monofilament part adds one more layer of realism to your wig. This creates the appearance of a natural parting that mimics your real scalp. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the monofilament part, you get a wig that creates such a natural look and is so versatile in so many different styling options. As you can see, she has such a natural look to her. She's so fun, bouncy, and I highly recommend the Curl Me Up wig.